In this video, we're going to learn how to go to the next frame and how to jump 5 frames forward or backward for quick and precise navigation. When you're editing, especially during trimming or syncing, you often need very small movements instead of dragging the playhead. Let's start with moving one frame at a time. Click inside your timeline to make sure it's active. To move one frame forward, press the right arrow key. To move one frame backward, press the left arrow key. Each press moves the playhead exactly one frame. Now let's move 5 frames at a time. To jump 5 frames forward, hold the shift key and press the right arrow key. To jump 5 frames backward, hold shift plus left arrow. Each press moves the playhead exactly 5 frames. This is very useful when adjusting cuts slightly or checking motion changes quickly without moving frame by frame repeatedly. These shortcuts work directly inside the timeline and give you much better control over precision editing. And that's it. You now know how to move frame by frame and jump 5 frames forward or backward in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.